5-in-1 stainless steel kitchen utensil, sold by Vezyturly. Introducing the 5-in-1 slotted spoon, your ultimate kitchen companion. Easily scoop pasta and separate egg whites with this versatile tool. Grind ginger and garlic effortlessly using the sawtooth design. 5-in-1 multi-functions cooking skip, sold by Vezyturly. Introducing the 5-in-1 slotted spoon, your ultimate kitchen companion. This versatile tool scoops pasta, separates egg whites, and crushes ginger effortlessly. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it's durable, rust-free, and eco-friendly. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for easy and efficient use. Cleaning is a breeze. Rinse or toss it to the dishwasher. Its tailed-up design allows for convenient storage in drawers or on hooks. Perfect for kitchens, camping, and picnics. It's also a great gift for cooking enthusiasts. If you want this product, link in description.
If you want to see more videos like this, then like this video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.